Hello friends and potential friends. This is part 3 of my visit to Little Bighorn. Basically, I took a walk around the area. I visited the monument. I visited Last Stand Hill, where the most historical part of this activities took place. I also went and visited the Native Indian Memorial, where they listed the names of Native Americans that died at Little Bighorn. And then I took a little bit of a driving tour through the area and kind of got choked up a little bit. All through the area you see grave markers. Each one represents a spot where somebody, whether U.S. Cavalry or Native American, lost their life that day, and they're scattered throughout the area. This is our history, folks. This really happened, and I personally think that we need to make sure it never happens again. Let's get on with it. Over there is the National Cemetery. That really has nothing to do with what happened at Custer's last stand, but it is an official national cemetery.
I have no idea what I was a doctor 52 years ago, and
This is where it happened. And supposedly, the top of that hill where you see the monument, where Custer and his 40 men held out their last.
Great-grandfather felt so much.
This is where it happened.
So this is that. Because this is last stands here, and then that.
I'm just finishing up a little driving tour through the countryside here. Everywhere you look, see these white markers. Soldiers and Indians died all through these hills. Kind of heartbreaking what happened here. But we gotta keep on remembering and never forget. Well, that concludes part 3 of my visit to Little Bighorn. I hope you enjoyed the whole series. I hope you learned something from it. I know I did. We have to learn from our history. If we don't, we have to repeat it so that we can learn it again. And this particular episode in history should never be repeated. I'll see you next time.